Mission J is June 3rd, 2025, and we have 6 sorties to fly today, each sortie to drop an individual water balloon bomb. Now, as usual, my utility plane will be flying with a 3D printed propeller, this time a 10-inch version of the PBY A20 type propeller from Hamilton Standard. In addition, we'll be flying with 3D printed wheels, the Star Shield insignia with bearings on the axles, so there's no plastic rubbing on the axles. The third 3D printed item will be a bomb release pylon attached to the underside of the aircraft. We're ready to fly. All right, now the third item is a release pylon for water balloon bombs. I have 2 types of water balloon bombs. The big ones are the Mark 64 water balloon bomb, shaped like a World War II bomb with a water balloon for a warhead. And the second type is what I call the egg cup. It's a simple ring-finned water balloon holder. lessons learned this time out. I was coming in at too high of an altitude, and the camera was having a hard time catching the plane releasing the bomb. I also want to work on the camera angles. The flight course was also unsteady. I had to change course too many times. Need to simplify. All right, that's it.